Listen, you can change your entire life in 12 months. Not with luck, not with motivation, not with some unrealistic 20-step morning routine you forget after 3 days. Real transformation? It comes from a simple, repeatable system you stick to, even on the boring days, the stressful days, the I don't feel like it days. And today's video is that system. A structure you can actually follow. A routine that doesn't break you, but builds you. If you want clarity, discipline, confidence, and a life that feels like it's finally moving forward, stay with me, because this routine, done daily, will quietly rebuild you from the inside, piece by piece, habit by habit, day by powerful day. Let's begin. 1. Wake up with intention. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. You don't need to join the rise and grind culture. But you do need to wake up early enough so you're not thrown into the day like a crash test dummy. Here's the truth. Most people start their day in reaction mode. Phone ringing, notifications buzzing, rushing out the door, and the day owns them, instead of the other way around. So wake up 30 to 60 minutes earlier than you do now. Not to be productive, but to be present, to breathe, to look around, to start slow instead of stressed, to choose your state before the world chooses it for you. Those first minutes of the day, they decide everything. They shape your mindset, your energy, your emotions. Wake up with intention and watch how the world stops pushing you around. 2. Move your body. I'm not telling you to become a gym freak. I'm telling you to move because movement is momentum. Your brain literally changes when your body moves. Stress drops, focus rises, you feel capable. You feel alive. Run, walk, stretch, lift, jump rope, anything. Just pick a movement and make it part of your morning story. Not to burn calories, to build character. Exercise teaches you something no book can. Your mind doesn't get stronger by thinking. It gets stronger by doing. You build a different identity. Someone who wins the battle against laziness. Someone who shows up even tired. Someone who finishes what they start. Movement is the first victory of your day. Win it. 3. Plan your day. Here's a bold statement. If you don't plan your day will plan you. And it will choose chaos every single time. So this part is key. Write down 3 priorities. Only 3, not 14, not your entire to-do list. 3 things that actually matter. 3 things that move your life forward. When you shrink your focus, you grow your results. Clarity beats overwhelm every single time. And here's the magic. When you finish those 3 things, even if the rest of your day falls apart, you still win. You still built momentum. You still moved forward. Plan your day, and you'll stop drifting and start directing. 4. Eat like your future depends on it. Because it does. You want high energy? You want discipline? You want a mind that actually works? Then you have to stop treating your body like a trash can. You don't need a perfect diet. You don't need to count every calorie. Just follow this simple rule. Eat like someone who respects themselves. More whole foods, more protein, more water, less sugar, less processed junk. Your entire day feels different when your body feels supported, not punished. You think clearer. Your mood stabilizes. Your mind becomes sharper. Your body finally stops working against you and begins working with you. Food is fuel. Make it good fuel. 5. Learn something every day. 5 pages, 10 minutes, 1 podcast clip, 1 idea. That's all it takes. Because learning isn't about becoming smart. It's about becoming dangerous. In the best way. You become the person who knows how to improve, how to adapt, how to think, how to reinvent themselves. Most people stop learning after school. and that's why their life stops changing. Feed your mind, not with endless scrolling, not with noise, but with something that sharpens you. The mind you're building today becomes the life you experience tomorrow. 6. Go outside. This one sounds small, but it's not. 5 minutes outside resets your system. Your nervous system calms. Your anxiety drops. Your mood rises. Humans weren't designed to live behind screens all day. You need sunlight, air, space, stillness. Even a tiny dose of nature can pull you out of mental fog and back into your body. Step outside. Look at the sky. Breathe. Reset. It seems simple, but simple is what works. 7. Do one hard thing. And do it on purpose. A cold shower, a heavy lift, a tough phone call, a difficult task you've been avoiding. This is the part that rewires you. Because every time you choose difficulty, you grow stronger. Every time you face resistance instead of running from it, your confidence rises, your identity shifts. You stop being someone who avoids discomfort and become someone who attacks it. Someone who can handle life, stress, pressure, fear. And that's how discipline is built. Not from motivation, but from micro battles won daily. One hard thing. Every day. That's how you become unshakable. 8. Reflect. Honestly. At night, before bed, don't scroll, don't distract yourself, don't knock yourself out with noise. Sit with your day. Ask yourself 3 questions. 1. Where did I win today? Celebrate your effort. Momentum needs recognition. 2. Where did I slip? Not to shame yourself, but to understand yourself. 3. How can I improve tomorrow? Because growth is not accidental. It's intentional. Reflection turns your days into data, your failures into lessons, your efforts into progress. This is how you evolve. Slowly, steadily, powerfully. That's it. 8 habits. Not glamorous, not extreme, not complicated. Just simple actions that compound into massive change. Do them daily, and I promise you, your energy will shift, your discipline will rise, your confidence will grow, and your life will start moving in a direction that finally feels right. You don't need motivation. You need a system. And this is your system. Show up for it. Show up for yourself. Every day.